Here's how to register for the Unity Ride and State Rally for the Florida American Legion Riders. First, we're going to open our browser and go to the web link give.floridalegion.org. This will bring you to our registration and fundraising platform. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see information regarding the ride itself, the cool prizes that you can earn as you raise money for suicide prevention, the total amount that we have raised through this campaign, the registration information, and a live leaderboard on the top individual and team who has raised the most funds. However, for this video, we'll be focusing on how to register, so let's scroll back up to the top. Here, we see the registration button and the Donate Now button. If you click on the Donate button, here is where you can donate directly to the Unity Ride. Those donations will not go towards an individual or team and will not be eligible for the incentives. However, if a donation is made by accident, we can reallocate it accordingly. Please contact Jennifer Cooper for any additional assistance. Now, going back to the main page, once you click the Register button, you will see three options pop up: Individual, Join a Team, and Create a Team. You would select Individual if you'd like to fundraise on your own. You'd select Join a Team if you'd like to join forces with others to fundraise. For example, a chapter can create a team for all members to join. You'd select Create a Team if you know your team has not been created yet. For now, I'm going to select Join a Team. Here, I'll start typing the name of team in which I would like to join. If the team has been created, it will pop up and it will allow you to select it. If the team has not been created, you can click Create a New One to create the team page. I'd like to join the department headquarters team, so I'll start typing that into the box now. And as you can see, this team has not been created yet. So I'll go ahead and click the Create a New One. When creating a team, you'll need to create a team name. As you can see, I've typed in Department Headquarters into the field here. Next, you'll need to set your team's fundraising goal. We have automatically chosen $1,000, but you can change this to whatever figure you would like. This would be the amount of funds you'd like to raise collectively. We've also set Riding to End Veteran Suicide as your tagline. However, feel free to change that to any slogan of your liking. Now we're going to hit Create Team. When you're creating a team, you'll first need to answer these questions before we move on to the registration. If you are an American Legion chapter, please put the chapter number here in this first box. Then indicate which district you are a part of. Since I'm creating a team for the department headquarters, I do not have a chapter number or a district, so I'm just going to continue on the registration process and click Register Now. It's now time to register. Here you have the option to register a single rider, passenger, ride virtually, or purchase a rally ticket only. Please note, single riders and passengers will also include entry into the rally. Also, if you purchase a rally ticket only, you still have the ability to create a fundraising page and join a team to earn the cool prizes. You can hit the plus button for the number of registrations for each category that you'd like to register. Since I'm registering myself only, I'll do the single rider for $25, one entry. Once I'm finished, I can click the registration button down here at the bottom. Here is where you will fill out the information for each attendee you're registering for. The fields marked with a red asterisk are the only fields that are required. We will need everyone who is doing the ride to fill in emergency contact. This is required as a part of the waiver of liability. Please put a name and contact number for the American Legion Department of Florida to contact in the event of an emergency. Please fill in the chapter number you represent and which route you would be traveling. Then use the scroll bar to read the waiver of liability. All riders and passengers who are participating in the ride will have to sign a waiver. A copy of the form will be included in the email receipt for registration. Once you have read through, click the checkbox accepting the terms of the waiver agreement, and then click the next button. This screen is where you will put in the payment information. Once you've entered the information, click the purchase button in the lower right-hand corner. Now you've completed your registration process. You'll receive two emails, one to confirm your registration and the other to claim your fundraising page. In your confirmation email, you'll also receive links to the liability waiver, emergency medical card, and a route map. Although fundraising isn't required, we urge all participants to help raise funds to end veteran suicide. The more money you raise, the cool prizes you earn, and the more lives we can save. And if you signed up as a single rider, you're halfway there to get your first prize, the official Project Vet Relief and Suicide Prevention patch. To claim your fundraising page, you can either click View on the thank you screen or from your email. If you created the team page, you are now the team captain. You have the ability to customize not only your personal fundraising page, but also the team page too. You see here, you would click View to change the settings for the department headquarters team page that I created. Or if I click this view, we can change the settings for my personal and individual page for me, Jennifer Cooper. You are now looking at the team page. If I click the Manage button up at the top corner, here we can see all of the things that we are able to customize. We can change the photo that we have. We can change the page's headline. Remember, in the setup process, we chose Riding to End Veteran Suicide. You can change that here. You can change your team story to where you can share why your chapter or team is raising funds to end veteran suicide. Now back to the page itself, you can see where others can join your team if they select this button, or they can donate directly to your team. You will have a leaderboard here of who has the most activity, who has the most donations, who's collected the most money, and a weekly winner. So if the chapter chooses to create incentives, these are where the page will automatically create your winners for you. You will also be able to see the total number of members who have signed up to join your team. If you keep scrolling, you'll be able to see the team rank among all the other teams that are participating in the Unity Ride, and then you'll also get to see the customized story that you have created. If you keep scrolling down to the bottom, if anybody has donated to the page or to the team, you'll be notified here. Also, when someone is making a donation, they have the ability to write a comment. You will see those comments here in this section. If we scroll back up to the top, you will be able to see the abilities to share your fundraising page. You can share directly to your Facebook page, a Twitter account, or to email. And this platform makes it pretty simple. If you just click one of these buttons, it will automatically take you to that platform so that you can share and ask more people to participate in your campaign. Just like the team page, we have already created a fundraising page for you for your individual page. However, if you want, you can customize it and make it your own. You can change your name, headline, fundraising goal, your web link, your photo, and you can change your story on why raising funds for veteran suicide is important to you. You can also manage your email notifications. Remember, these settings can be changed at any time, so don't feel like this information is permanent if you change your mind later. We're going to go up and click the Manage button at the top of the screen so that we can edit the fields that I was discussing. Here is where you can edit your profile photo. Remember, this is your moment to shine and create the page to your likings. If I click the Add button, you simply would just click the Upload button and select the photo that you would like to change your picture to. If you scroll down, you can change the fundraiser nickname. You can change your page headlining. Also, you can change your fundraising goal and also change the URL so the link that you share with your friends and family will be customized to your page. Here is where you can change your notifications. All of these features are automatically turned on. However, if you do not want to be notified for these specific reasons, you can simply turn them off here. Be sure to save your changes once you're finished. If you would like to edit your story, simply click Story in the menu. Like we created the team page, we have already created sample text for you. However, it'll be more beneficial if you customize this section to why raising funds for veteran suicide is important to you. Be sure you save your changes. Other options that are available in the menu bar, you can view all the donations that have been made to your page. You have the emails that you can use to send out to ask for donations and also to thank donors. We've already created some text for you, but again, you can customize these for your needs as well. And if you click on the details, you can change those features that we just did previously. And for any reason, you can always delete your fundraising page, but under the details option in the menu bar, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, the delete fundraising button. Well, there you have it. You have successfully registered for the Unity Ride. If you have any questions while trying to register on your own, please feel free to contact Jennifer Cooper at jcooper@floridalegion.org. That's JCOOPER at FLORIDALEGION.org. Thank you and be safe riding.